Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Costzon 88-key portable keyboard piano. MIDI function allows you to connect computers, smartphones and other intelligent devices to obtain better piano training experience. 128 rhythms, 128 tones and 20 demos makes playing more fascinating. Moreover, chord, transpose, metronome, drum kit and recording buttons satisfy different playing requirements. Full-size knocking force keys crafted according to 1:1 piano key ratio provide comfortable finger touch and make for similar depth in keys. The volume will change depending on how hard you play. Made from durable ABS material, smooth keys will prevent skidding during playing time and avoid fading to keep long-lasting high gloss. Compared with the previous electric piano keyboard, the upgraded one increases knocking force key function switch, which can easily come true through long pressing the transpose button. Thus, different dynamics will present unique piano pieces. And designed with external sound, the digital keyboard will make tremendous sound. The Fesley full-size weighted keyboard features touch-sensitive keys which reflect every nuance of your touch. And the digital pianos are suitable for beginners to get started and establish good habits quickly. You can take it as a gift for beginners, children, and adults. The keyboard piano consists of 88 full-size hammer action keys. 99% restore the touch of the grand piano. An 88-key weighted keyboard can adjust the playing style you need. The powerful hammer action brings a natural piano feel, suitable for beginners, intermediate, and advanced performers. Our second best 88-key keyboard is Starfavor Keyboard 88-key semi-weighted piano. This feature-rich electronic keyboard with 88 high-quality semi-weighted keys. Suitable for beginners for its touch as the keys of the grand, the sensitive sound change. Bounce faster for reducing the sense of force. 128 tones, 128 rhythms, 80 demonstration songs with recording function. Beginners can record their own performances during the learning process of electronic keyboard, repeatedly play and practice. 3.5mm headphone jack, 3.5mm audio input, 3.5 sustained foot pedal and USB MIDI interface, 16-bit DAC output can meet the basic recording needs. Can be powered by 4 AA batteries. 11 pounds lightweight, with the keyboard bag accessory, you can take the 88-key keyboard anywhere. The teaching mode of Starfavor Keyboard Piano can be connected to external software for learning and practice. The 88-key piano features 110 demo songs, 100 rhythms, and 128 tones. And built-in rhythm function, metronome, chord function, and 2x20W speakers to give you a realistic piano experience. It also includes recording, playback, sustain, transposing, metronome, dual voice functions, and so on for daily practice. What's more, with Bluetooth and MIDI functions, you can connect the electric piano to external devices wirelessly for more playing. In addition, the front of the electric piano has headphones, MP3 interface, so you can easily and quickly connect 2 headphones and start practicing in silent mode without disturbing others. This digital piano features a backlit LCD screen for clearly showing chord names and tones. Third in our list is Alesis Recital 88-key digital piano. Feature-packed electric keyboard with 88 premium full-sized semi-weighted keys with adjustable touch response to suit your preferred playing style. 5 voices, acoustic piano, electric piano, organ, synth, and bass, built-in FX, chorus, reverb, and 2 built-in 20-watt speakers that deliver crystal clear, room-filling sound. 1/4 sustained pedal input, pedal not included, 1/4 stereo headphone output for private practice and stereo RCA outputs for connection to speakers, amplifiers. Standard, split, layer, and lesson modes with 128-note max polyphony and SKU 3-month premium subscription for expert interactive online piano lessons. The Recital fuses 88 full-sized semi-weighted keys, 5 premium voices, reverb and chorus effects to customize your sound, and powerful 20-watt speakers. The result is simple, sublime sound and a truly natural playing response. Looking to dive into a world of pro piano performance? Your journey starts here. The piano keyboard is equipped with a triple pedal, music stand, power adapter, dust cover, instruction manual and headphone. The electric piano keyboard is suitable for placing in any apartment, bungalow, outdoor party, or more places to meet your performance needs on various occasions. It is an ideal gift for holidays, birthdays, Christmas, Thanksgiving, the New Year, and Children's Day. Number 4 in our best 88-key keyboard list is Asmuse 88-key electric piano. This electric keyboard piano is a full-size keyboard piano that allows you to explore a world of music. 88 touch-sensitive keys can reflect every nuance of your touch. The digital piano is a great study tool for children and adults that provides you with a traditional piano feel. 128 rhythms, 128 sounds, 80 demo songs, which is convenient for you to practice chords and songs, and create your own music. And 2 built-in 20-watt speakers that provide better sound performance. This electric piano supports the MIDI function, which can connect to the computer or other external devices for music editing or recording. It also supports connect to sustain pedal, MP3, microphone, headphone and USB. This piano keyboard is equipped with a sustain pedal, a music rest, and a power adapter. With recording and playback functions, suitable for beginners. Microphone, headphone jack for immersive learning without disturbing parents and neighbors. This 88-key piano keyboard features semi-weighted keys that mimic the finger touch and key depth of piano. And the harder you knock the key, the louder sound it will produce. Therefore, it is suitable for beginners to practice playing piano. To facilitate playing, the digital piano is designed with a variety of sound effects, including 128 tones, 128 rhythms, 20 demo songs, chord and drum kit. And there are also functions like record, metronome, and transpose to meet your different needs. You can press the buttons on the touch panel to achieve these functions. Our last pick is FingerBallet 88-key folding piano keyboard. Piano feel with 88 standard size keys, 88 full-size keys for authentic playing feel and expressive touch inspired by the keyboards on acoustic grand pianos. Having the full range of notes lets you play more demanding music and helps develop the correct techniques for both left and right hands. It also ensures a smooth transition should you play a weighted hammer action keyboard. Not every home has space for a full-size acoustic piano. But the compact design of FingerBallet 88-key keyboard lets you play in any setting, with all the benefits of 88 full-size keys. It can be folded into half, even if you invest in a premium piano. It is the ideal portable instrument for slinging in a gig bag and playing at rehearsals, sessions and shows. Our piano keyboard also includes electric piano, organ, and strings, allowing you to explore different musical styles. With built-in 36 types of tones, 128 types of rhythm patterns and 8 demo songs, which make you learn to play songs quickly. This folding piano also includes dual keyboards, teaching mode, record and so on. In addition to built-in functions, the digital piano provides you with multiple external interfaces for multimedia devices, such as computers, MIDI, headphones, speakers and the sustain pedal. And the wireless connection allows you to connect to musical apps for practice or performance. The digital piano that weighs only 13 pounds is really portable with a padded carrying bag, making your musical journey ready to go. You can either hold it in hand or carry it on shoulder since the bag is fitted with handles and adjustable strap.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!